In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Tutor LMS WooCommerce integration. By the end, you'll have your Tutor LMS course connected to WooCommerce so learners can purchase it using the same checkout your store already uses. First, make sure the required plugins are installed and activated. You'll need Tutor LMS, either the free or pro version, and WooCommerce. With both active, head into your WordPress dashboard and open Tutor LMS, then Settings, and select the Monetization tab. In the drop-down labeled Select E-commerce Engine, choose WooCommerce. This tells Tutor LMS to hand off all payments, carts, and receipts to WooCommerce. Click Save Changes to lock that in before moving on. Next, create the WooCommerce product that will represent your course at checkout. Go to Products and click Add New. Give the product a clear, recognizable title. Using the course name keeps things consistent for students. In the product data box, set the product type to Simple Product. Check Virtual, so WooCommerce knows there's nothing to ship. Then check for Tutor, which is the key that lets WooCommerce know this product links to a Tutor LMS course. Enter your price under Regular Price. This amount is what the student will pay at checkout, and it will follow your WooCommerce currency, tax, and coupon settings. When you're done, click Publish to make the product available. Now link that product to your course. Go to Tutor LMS and open Courses. Edit the course you want to sell, then scroll down to the Add Product section. Set the course type as appropriate and confirm it matches how you plan to sell the course. From the product drop-down, select the WooCommerce product you just created. Save or update the course to apply the connection. That's the entire integration. Tutor LMS now knows which WooCommerce product controls access to the course, and WooCommerce will handle the cart, checkout, and order records. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your course and product titles aligned to reduce confusion. Double-check that the product is marked Virtual and for Tutor, and always click Save Changes or Update after each configuration screen so nothing gets lost. If pricing, tax, or coupons need adjusting, make those changes on the WooCommerce product. If the course details change, update them in Tutor LMS. With this setup, your students get a smooth purchase experience, and you get centralized order management. Thanks for watching, and enjoy selling your courses with Tutor LMS and WooCommerce.